morning, fellow Toastmasters and guests.
Good morning.
I was thinking, today is my table talk. I need to give a presentation. Till yesterday evening, I am not prepared my topic. Even today morning also I am not prepared. So I thought, okay, I want to share something which was shared to me through my WhatsApp group. One of my friend, a paper from the well-known person diary. He wrote like this: I reached the zenith in the business and I achieved the utmost success in my life, but I still feel guilty. Why I am guilty? Because I am on deathbed. I am taking my last breath. I feel very alone on my deathbed. Why I am feeling alone? Because nobody is beside me. Why nobody is beside me? Because till today, I ran behind my money and business. And I was behind this money from long time. I left behind my fellow people, my fellow friends, love beings, wife, family, children. Why it happened to me? So, and I was listening the safety, the life safety equipments which was attached to my body. The signals which is emitting from this life-saving equipment is giving a signal in front of hell. The same sound I'm listening, the sound of death. So these are the last words came from. The feelings came from a well-known person, Mr. Steve Jobs. This is a small notes taken out from Steve Jobs' diary. The feeling the feeling he felt on his cancer treatment time. So he realized, yes, I need to do something, which I left in my run behind this business. So he took a decision, and he started his realizing his left out dreams, like philanthropic activities, and he shared the same words to many people. And he told Stanford University students in front of Stanford University openly, this is my feeling, and which I want to share with you students, guys. And this happens to everybody, not only to Steve Jobs, a great person, even to us. We in run behind our life, we leave many things, and we leave our dreams, our childhood aims, and we leave our family members and fellow friends. We hurt their feelings in running behind this money and your success, all this rat race. So it reminds me of a small story which was narrated to me through one of my friends. One fine day, all feelings went to a island to spend some great time. So they are enjoying the holiday on an island. So suddenly a storm announcement came. So on the announcement, so everybody started running back to their boats, respective boats. But the love left behind, and it was feeling that I want to spend some more time on the island. It is very pleasant to spend some more time on this island. So it left behind. So everybody went. All other feelings went to their respective boats, and they started moving. So later, love realized, oh, the storm is coming. So the clouds are becoming very dark. So I need to leave immediately. So then it started seeing its boat. But by the time, because of the strong wind, its boat moved away from the shore. So it left behind without a boat. So it shouted, and she saw one boat is moving. She shouted, please help me, please give me a lift. The boat was of Prosperous. The Prosperous is moving, and it said, sorry love, I am carrying a precious gold, diamonds in my boat. I cannot take you in my boat. Then then love felt very bad, and she waited for a few more minutes, and she saw some other boat is passing. She shouted, hello, please help me. The boat was of Vanity. The vanity said, "Hello, love. Sorry, I cannot take you because my boat become dirty if I take you into my boat because your feet are very with mud. So I cannot take you into my boat." So again the boat moved on, and another boat it is passing out. So the next boat was of Sad. Sad said, "Sorry, I cannot take you, love, because I want to be myself. I cannot take you back." And love felt very bad. Oh, nobody is there to take me. How can I save myself? The storm is approaching. Then suddenly the happiness is going. And she again shouted, "Happy, please help me. Please take me, please give me a lift." The happiness said, and happiness didn't listen to the love shouting also. So happiness passed. So love was behind. Nobody is there to help it out. Then suddenly the clouds are became very dark. No, the love cannot see what is happening. What is happening around her. Then suddenly a small voice came. "Hello, please come into my love boat." So love listened, but she couldn't see who was calling her. Then so she approached and she got into the boat. And after a few minutes, the boat reached another shore, and love was got off from the boat, and the boat passes out to some other destination. Then at that shore, the love saw another colleague, Knowledge, and she approached to Knowledge. "Hello, Knowledge. Just now somebody gave me a lift. She saved my life. I don't know who is he. I want to thank him. Do you know who is he?" Then love said, "Now, the person who gave you the lift is time. Time only can understand the value of the love. So time tells the value of the love when time comes. So we should not wait for the time to come. So our time should not come on our deathbeds. So it is a time to realize our love and to achieve our real life value." Thank you, Toastmasters.